Life pulsates with rhythm. It's a universal truth, woven into the fabric of existence. Observe the natural world, and you'll find rhythm everywhere. The ebb and flow of tides, governed by the moon's gravitational pull. The cyclical dance of seasons, from the blossoming vibrancy of spring to the quietude of winter. Day transitions to night, and night yields to dawn in a perpetual rhythm. These rhythms aren't merely external phenomena, they're fundamental principles governing all life. Just as the earth revolves around the sun, creating the seasons, so too do our inner worlds pulsate with rhythmic cycles. Our breath, the very essence of life, flows in and out, a rhythmic dance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Our hearts beat in a steady rhythm, a metronome marking the passage of time within our bodies. These rhythms are not separate from us, they are us. We are an integral part of this cosmic symphony, our individual melodies interwoven with the grand orchestration of the universe. Recognizing this interconnectedness, this inherent rhythmicity of life, is the first step towards understanding our place in the grand scheme of existence. It's a stepping stone to mastering our inner rhythms and ultimately our destinies. Just as the oceans experience tidal shifts, so too do our inner landscapes. Our emotions ebb and flow, sometimes calm and serene, other times turbulent and stormy. Joy gives way to sorrow, anger subsides into peace, excitement fades into tranquility. These emotional fluctuations are not random, they follow an inherent rhythm. This rhythm is often subtle, easily overlooked in the hustle of daily life. But it's there, influencing our thoughts, behaviors, and perceptions. We experience periods of heightened energy and enthusiasm, followed by phases of introspection and rest. Our moods shift, our motivations wax and wane, our thoughts cycle through patterns of clarity and fog. Becoming aware of this inner rhythm is crucial for self-mastery. Just as a sailor must understand the tides to navigate effectively, so too must we understand our internal rhythms to navigate the waters of our lives. By recognizing these patterns, we gain insight into our emotional states. We begin to see the cyclical nature of our feelings, understanding that no state, whether positive or negative, is permanent. This understanding empowers us to ride the waves of emotion with greater awareness and resilience. Imagine consciousness as a multi-layered spectrum, a series of planes ascending from the densest to the most refined. Each plane represents a different level of awareness, perception, and understanding. The lower planes are characterized by denser energies, where thoughts and emotions hold greater sway. The higher planes, conversely, resonate with lighter, more expansive energies, where clarity and wisdom reside. We navigate these planes constantly, our consciousness shifting from one level to another. During moments of fear or anger, we descend to the lower planes, our perceptions narrowed and distorted by negativity. In moments of joy, love, and inspiration, we ascend to higher planes, experiencing clarity, expansiveness, and interconnectedness. These shifts are not arbitrary. They are governed by the same principle of rhythm that influences our emotions and thoughts. Our consciousness naturally fluctuates between these planes, experiencing the full spectrum of human experience. Recognizing this cyclical movement is essential for spiritual growth. It allows us to detach from the illusion of permanence in any given state, whether pleasant or unpleasant. We begin to understand that every experience, every emotion is transient, a temporary wave in the vast ocean of consciousness. While our consciousness naturally fluctuates between different planes, we're not merely passive passengers on this journey. We possess the inherent ability to consciously influence our position within this spectrum. We can choose to ascend to higher planes, accessing greater clarity, wisdom, and peace. The key to this ascent lies in cultivating present moment awareness. The lower planes of consciousness are dominated by the past and the future, by regrets and anxieties. When we dwell on past mistakes or fret about future uncertainties, we anchor ourselves to these denser energies, limiting our perception. Conversely, when we shift our focus to the present moment, we liberate ourselves from the weight of past and future. Present moment awareness is the gateway to higher planes of consciousness. It's a portal to stillness, to a space where thoughts and emotions lose their grip. In the present moment, there's no room for regret or worry, only the pure experience of being. This is where true freedom resides, where we connect with the essence of our being, unburdened by the limitations of the mind. Just as a conductor guides an orchestra to create harmonious music, we can learn to conduct the symphony of our inner world. By understanding and mastering our mental and emotional rhythms, we break free from detrimental cycles, cultivating greater peace, clarity, and purpose. The first step is awareness. Pay attention to your internal landscape, observing your thoughts, emotions, and energy levels throughout the day. Notice the patterns, the ebb and flow, the cyclical nature of your inner experience. Don't judge these fluctuations. Simply observe them with detached curiosity. This awareness is the foundation for conscious change. Once you've developed awareness, you can begin to influence these rhythms. Practice mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to cultivate present moment awareness. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit and resonate with your values. Surround yourself with positive influences, people, and environments that nourish your soul. These practices empower you to consciously shift your internal state, moving from lower to higher planes of consciousness. Life is a dance, a rhythmic interplay of energies, emotions, and experiences. Embrace this rhythm. Don't resist the natural fluctuations of your inner world. Instead, learn to navigate them with awareness and grace. Understand that every experience, every emotion is transient, a temporary wave in the vast ocean of consciousness. You are not merely a passive observer in this dance. You are the conductor of your own symphony. You have the power to influence the tempo, the melody, the overall composition of your inner experience. Cultivate present moment awareness, practice mindfulness, and engage in activities that uplift your spirit. These are your instruments, your tools for shaping the music of your life. As you master your inner rhythms, you'll find yourself ascending to higher planes of consciousness. You'll experience greater clarity, peace, and purpose. You'll break free from the shackles of negativity, stepping into the flow of life with renewed energy and inspiration. The journey requires dedication and practice, but the reward is a life lived in harmony with the universal rhythm. A life where you, the conductor, guide your destiny with awareness and intention. What rhythms have you observed in your own life? Share your thoughts in the comments below.